As we remember a very special soul, Sarwan Singh, our beloved student, he left us too soon for his heavenly abode. Sarwan was more than just a student. He was a ray of sunshine, someone whose gentle nature and ever-smiling face brought joy to all who knew him. I can still recall those precious moments when he would come to school to me with his doubts, always eager, always sincere. I remember his bright, cheerful smile whenever I entered the classroom, how he would greet me so warmly, and I will never forget his sweet words. Ma'am, you really teach wonderfully. Ma'am, please, can you take us to the ground? How could I forget that cheerful smile on his face, sitting on an embarrassment in Germany's face? Those were his compliments, the expression of his pure heart and deep respect.
Sarwan's kindness, humility, and innocence touched everyone around him. His absence has left a silence in our hearts, but his memories will forever echo in our minds and souls. Let us honor his memory by spreading the same love and warmth that he carried so effortlessly. May Almighty bless Sarwan's noble soul with eternal peace, grand strength, and comfort for his impact. This is my gratitude.
केल करिंदे हंजनों अचिंते बाज पाई बाज भरे तिस रब दे केला विसरियां जो मन चित न चेते सन जो गले रब दियां। वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। बाबा फरीद जी इस शब्द विच फरमा रहे हैं कि जिवें एक बगला दरिया के कंढे ते बैठा होया अपनी ही मस्ती विच कलोल करता है, पर उस कलोला करते बगले अचनचेत बाज आ पैंदे हैं ਤਾਂ ਉਸਨੂੰ ਸਾਰੇ ਕਲੋਲ ਵਿਸਰ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹਨ। ਇਸੇ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਬੰਦਾ ਇਸ ਜਗਤ ਦੇ ਰੰਗ ਤਮਾਸ਼ਿਆਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਸਤ ਹੈ, ਪਰ ਅਚਾਨਕ ਉਸਨੂੰ ਮੌਤ ਦੇ ਭੂਤ ਆ ਫੜਦੇ ਹਨ ਜੋ ਉਸਨੂੰ ਚਿੱਤ ਚੇਤੇ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ, ਰੱਬ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਕਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ। ਇਸ ਲਈ ਕਬੀਰ ਜੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹਨ, ਹੇ ਭਾਈ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਦੇ ਰੰਗ ਤਮਾਸ਼ਿਆਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੰਨਾ ਵੀ ਨਾ ਗਵਾਚ ਜਾਏ ਕਿ ਉਸ ਰੱਬ ਤੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਮੌਤ ਨੂੰ ਹੀ ਭੁੱਲ ਬੈਠੇ। ਮੌਤ ਇੱਕ ਅਟਲ ਸੱਚਾਈ ਹੈ। आओ सारे मिलकर उस विछड़ी रूह की आत्मा की शांति की अरदास करिए। हे वाहिगुरु सच्चे पातशाह उस रूह को अपने चरणों में निवास बख्शे, जन्म मरण के इस बंधन तो छुटकारा दे। वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।
ਅੱਜ ਦਾ ਪਾਠ ਕੁਰੰਥੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਮ ਪਹਿਲਾ ਪੱਤਰ ਉਸ ਦਾ 15 ਪਾਠ ਉਸ ਦੀ 50 ਆਇਤ ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ 57 ਆਇਤ ਤੱਕ। ਭਰਾਵੋ ਮੇਰੇ ਕਹਿਣ ਦਾ ਅਰਥ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਮਾਸ ਅਤੇ ਲਹੂ ਖੁਦਾ ਦੇ ਰਾਜ ਦੇ ਵਾਰਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੇ, ਨਾ ਹੀ ਮਰਨਹਾਰ ਅਮਰਤਾ ਦਾ ਵਾਰਸ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ। ਦੇਖੋ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਰਾਜ ਦੱਸ ਰਿਹਾ ਹਾਂ, ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਮਰਾਂਗੇ ਨਹੀਂ, ਸਗੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਬਦਲ ਜਾਵਾਂਗੇ। ਇਹ ਸਭ ਪਲ ਭਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਅੱਖ ਦੇ ਝਮੱਕੇ ਵਿੱਚ आखिरी बिगल बजते साथ ही बदल जाएगा। बिगल बजेगी मुड़ते अमर हो के जी उठेंगे अते असी सारे बदल जावांगे, क्योंकि ये जरूरी है कि एक नाशवान शरीर नाश ना होने वाला ਬਣ ਜਾਵੇ ਅਤੇ ਇਹ ਮਰਨਹਾਰ ਸਰੀਰ ਅਮਰਤਾ ਧਾਰਨ ਕਰੇ। ਜਦੋਂ ਨਾਸ਼ਵਾਨ ਨਾਸ਼ ਨਾ ਹੋਣ ਵਾਲਾ ਬਣ ਜਾਵੇਗਾ ਅਤੇ ਮਰਨਹਾਰ ਅਮਰਤਾ ਨੂੰ ਧਾਰਨ ਕਰ ਲਵੇਗਾ, ਤਦ ਪਵਿੱਤਰ ਲਿਖਤ ਵਿੱਚ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਇਹ ਵਾਕ ਪੂਰਾ ਹੋ ਜਾਵੇਗਾ। ਮੌਤ ਜਿੱਤ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਦਲ ਗਈ। ਮੌਤ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਹੈ ਤੇਰੀ ਜਿੱਤ? ਮੌਤ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਹੈ ਤੇਰਾ ਡਰ? ਮੌਤ ਦਾ ਡਰ ਪਾਪ ਹੈ ਅਤੇ ਪਾਪ ਦੀ ਸ਼ਕਤੀ ਵਿਧਾਨ ਹੈ। ਪਰ ਖੁਦਾ ਦਾ ਸ਼ੁਕਰ ਹੋਵੇ ਜੋ ਸਾਡੇ ਪ੍ਰਭੂ ਯਿਸੂ ਮਸੀਹ ਦੇ ਰਾਹੀਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਜਿੱਤ ਬਖਸ਼ਦਾ ਹੈ। ਇਹ ਪ੍ਰਭੂ ਦੀ ਬਾਤ ਬਾਣੀ ਹੈ। ਦਾ ਸ਼ੁਕਰ ਹੋਵੇ।
And loving family members of our beloved circle, and my dear beloved students, good morning to all. With a heavy heart and profound sorrow, we gather here today to offer a prayerful tribute to the departed soul of our beloved student, Sargul Singh of class 9 Violet, who was an innocent and vibrant member of our Seventh family. It is with great sadness that we learn of his passing of P.S. Sargul on 18th July, and we never imagined that it would be his last congregation and last days among us. He was suddenly called away from this world without a chance to say goodbye to his dear ones. We are deeply shocked and saddened by the loss of our beloved Sargul. The Holy Bible says in the book of Proverbs, "The heart of man plans his way, but the Lord establishes his steps." May the Lord grant us the serenity to accept what we cannot change. God has called him to his holy abode. What no eye has seen, no ear heard, nor the heart of man imagined, what God has prepared for those who love him. It is truly heartbreaking and hard to believe that he is no longer with us. He had won the hearts of all of us with his innocent smile. We can see in the photograph. His presence brought joy to our classrooms and warmth to our school corridors, leaving an indelible mark on the hearts of all of us and all who had the privilege of knowing him. Though he is no longer with us in person, his memory will forever live in our hearts and remain a part of our school fraternity. The Sacred Heart family deeply mourns his loss, and we all miss him dearly. We extend our deepest condolence to his parents and family members. As we reflect on Sargul, his time with us, we remember a young soul full of promise, enthusiasm. In this difficult moment, let us join together in prayer, seeking solace and strength for Sargul's parents and family members, friends, and his dear ones. May we find comfort in the memories we shared, the laughter that echoed through our halls, and the knowledge that Sargul's spirit will forever remain intertwined with the essence of our school. Let us close our eyes for a while and pray for the departed soul of our beloved Sargu. Almighty God, we gather in your presence to remember and honor the life of our beloved Sargu, who has departed from our midst. We seek your comfort and strength for his family, friends, parents, and all who are touched by his loss. Grant us the serenity to accept that which we cannot change, and the courage to face the days ahead, and the wisdom to cherish the memories that will forever live on in our hearts. May Sadhguru find eternal peace in a loving embrace, and may his family find solace in the support of our school community. Sadhguru, though no longer with us in person, will forever remain as part of the fabric of our school. Let us remember him not with tears of sadness, but with our hearts full of gratitude for the time we shared. Now I request all of you to observe 2 minutes silence, praying for the noble and young soul to rest in peace. Standing, and we offer our heartfelt support to one another during this time of grief. Thank you.
जी हाँ जी लिखिया तेहा हुकुम कमाहे कल्ले आए नानका सदा उठी जाए। परमात्मा उस विछड़ी रूह ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਚਰਨਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਿਵਾਸ ਬਖਸ਼ੇ। ਪਰਿਵਾਰ, ਦੋਸਤਾਂ, ਮਿੱਤਰਾਂ ਅਤੇ ਸਾਥ ਸੰਬੰਧੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਅਸਹਿ ਦੁੱਖ ਸਹਿਣ ਦਾ ਬਲ ਬਖਸ਼ੇ, ਬਲ ਬਖਸ਼ੇ।
amazing boy, Sargun Saik of class 9th boy. He was a bright light, a cheerful student, always wearing a big and warm smile
that touched everyone around him. Sadly, he has left us far too soon at the tender of age 14. Losing a child, a friend, or a classmate is one of the most painful things anyone can do. Saiful was not just a face in the classroom. He was such full of dreams, laughter, kindness, and protection. Though he may no longer be with us physically, his memories will forever remain in our hearts. They will never fade, never vanish. This pain, this emptiness may never fully go away. I can still remember all those days we spent together with him. The classes, the functions, the school trips, even the ordinary moments that felt special just because he was part of them. We laughed with him, we learned with him, we celebrated with him. Every single day spent with Saiful was a gift. So today, let us come together, united in love and remembrance.